So I have had I wanted you can see around the compound the grass is really overgrown, and I had given out this mower to be used in school, and it really came very badly. One, the handle here is becoming sloppy. It has been broken here, so I need to weld. It is not running well with the starter, so this starter here is not reclining all the way out. Okay, so then too, there are so many things broken, but it starts, but it surges. So I cut a test around here and it keeps on surging. I'm suspecting there's a problem with the carburetor. That must be because they were using a very bad filter. So last week I bought the right filter, which is this. I don't know what part number is this. And so, but I suspect that the surge is either the carburetor is having a problem, that the jets have been blocked, or there are some debris inside there, or alternatively somebody played around with the airflow screw, and that most likely. So those two are the likely reasons why I'm opening up. So the objective today is to open the carburetor and clean it up, take it back to see whether that surging of the engine is will disappear. If that is done, then I want to clear all the compound to look good, and inside the main house, which is I'll show you later. So let's start with the removal of this carburetor. So the carburetor has two sets of bolts. Okay, it fires. I'm not very sure whether the problem is solved because I have not put the filter. And then I have noticed another problem. The accelerator seems not to be working. So let me have a look at it and then I come back. What I do, you